Now count it, 20 straight days where the temperature in Toledo has been below average. You'd have to go back to before Thanksgiving, the last time we actually had a day that was above average. Now this streak is going to come to an end, but it's been about the coldest start to December here in Toledo in 20 years. You'd have to go back to 2005, where our average temperature has been a bone-chilling 22 degrees. Now the transition, it is going to happen gradually over the next 24 to 36 hours, and then Thursday kind of hit that switch toward much warmer weather, windy weather, and there it is, wet weather along a strong cold front that will make its way into the area. That cold front will bring rain chances Thursday afternoon and evening that become likely as temperatures crash then Thursday night to Friday morning. It's a brief cool down because the overall trend to round out the month of December, this would include Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, and beyond, is looking much warmer than average across much of the country.